Good morning there folks, what's happening, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. We have woken up next to a field of sheep. It's so nice just to be around green and spring, like birds are singing, sheep are lambing. There is a touch of frost on the ground I see though. But yeah, I think today's antics, we are going to be heading to the farm and going to be meandering around there for a little bit, see what's happening going on. They do have Highland Cows now. So I think I myself will be hanging around the cows all day. I'm so excited. I love Highland Cows. Yeah, I guess let's crack on with the day and see where it takes us. What, flour and canola?
Rapeseed. Oiled seed. OSR.
OSR. It's flowering! How far away are we? Can't really see you, but...
It's currently beginning of April. We might seed it middle of May. It'll start flowering early July. And then we'll harvest it by September.
Crazy. Ah. What doing? I take. Come on. Ready? Get him!
That dog. Oh, big one. Does that just fill you with joy?
Do you know what? It really does.
No.
Hello. Are you gonna let me stroke you, or no? Are you gonna try and stab me? Yeah, I knew you would. The only reason I got on a flight to England was to see these guys. And that guy. And you. So apparently we can't spend all of our time stroking cows, even though it doesn't want to be stroked. Rude. So AJ's spraying. So we're gonna go check that out, maybe get the drone up, we'll see. And then Matt's got a cousin over that way, we'll go see as well. So all of the farming. I tried to get the drone up, but AJ's messing around, to be honest. This is why it takes him 3 hours to spray a field. He was just stood doing nothing. Also, the birds were after the drone, so, and we're next to a school, so, but I guess onwards.
Well, it's like 500 yards away if I go out over here. Come on, Matt, forward.
500 yards.
I just need pliers this time on back of it, don't I? And then it's like, I have a button to...
We just helped EJ move some horses. Fun fact, it has been 10 years exactly today, 4th of April, when Matt moved to Canada. So we're celebrating Matt's 10 years today in Canada. So yeah, we're just meandering. morning. So we have made it to the farm. We're actually, Matt's driving a load all. So he'll be happy, he's driving some farm equipment. I've come to see the cows. This one's not very nice. I just want to love you. I just want to love you. Yeah, we got some rain, so that sucks, but it is what it is. Hello. I don't have any food though. Aye. No. No.
I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through.
Hey. Hey. Oh, gee whiz. Hey. We have made it to my mum and dad's house. We're going to go out for a meal and go see a auntie. Quick, short and sweet video. The trip is sailing by. We've been here a week already. This trip's been a little bit difficult with sleep. We've been kind of lacking in the sleep department. So for the first few days, I don't think Matt and I were very compass mentis during conversations. We're too busy running around trying to see people, so we don't really have a lot of holiday downtime. So we've only got a week basically left to go. So it's flying by, but I'll be excited to go home and actually get a decent night's sleep. And because of the lack of sleep, we've also not really been filming that much. So yeah, a short and sweet video, and we'll catch you guys in the next video, where I don't know what we're going to be doing.
And this is my world now.